All right, the question says, the data below shows the ages in years of people who visited the library between 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock on a certain morning. Now we can see the data given there, as you can see. And then the question says, question 1.1 says, determine the mean average of the visitor. So we're going to do question 1.1 here, and then let's start with 1.1.1. So 1.1.1 says 1.1.1 talk about the mean. The mean is given by X bar. Okay, this is what you're looking for. The mean age of the visitors. Okay, what is the mean? The mean is the same thing as the average. Okay, it is given by the formula X bar equal to the sum of all the data, the x's, x1 over n. So this stands for, like, xi stands for the given data over here. Like this is like x1, this is x2, this is x3, x4, etc. Up to, if we count how many they are, they're like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 of them. Okay, so we're going to do the sum of all these numbers divided by 15. N is 15, the number of the data. So we will do X bar will be equal to, we're going to do 3 plus 4 plus 4, etc. all divided by 15. So we're going to do 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus dot 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 plus 68 plus 76 plus 82 all over 15. Now, if we're going to do that, I want to type all the numbers here, but if we do the sum of all the number, we get like 571 all over how much? 15. And then this is equal to 38,07 years. 07. Yes. So you say this is, so this is the number of the year. You can say 38 years. Okay. Now, question 1.1.2 says what? Determine the median of the data. What is the median? The median is the middle value. Okay, that's separate. That puts 50% of the data on the right and 50% of the data on the left. So over here, we can look, how can we get the median here? Because we have like odd numbers, we can just do, okay, let's see, let me write here, 1.1.2, we're talking about the median. The median, we just write med like this. It's the middle value, okay? So we can find the median by using this formula. When we have like odd numbers of data, we can just do n plus 1 over 2. So now this is not the median, but this gives us the position of the median. It tells us the location of the median, where the median is, okay? The position of the median. So now if you work it out, we'll say the median will be equal to 15 plus 1 over 2, which is equal to 8. Okay, so it means, this means that the median is the eighth value. Okay, over here, let me I think it's inverted itself. It's supposed to be over 2. Okay, so and then this is equal to 16. Yeah, it's 15 over plus 1 over 2. That's 16 over 2, and this is equal to 8. The 8 here is not the number 8, but it's the position 8. So it tells us that the median is by the position number 8. I'm going to my data set here, over here, my whole data here, and then I want to find the position number 8. What is it? I numbered them here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. So it tells us that the median then is number 8. So the number 8. So the median is equal to 36. So therefore, the median is equal to 36. So 36 years. 36 years. Now, we're going to do question 1.1.3 that says the interquartile range of the data. What is that? This is the difference between the third quartile and the lowest quartile. Now, I am going to move my board over here to, okay, because of space, I'm going to move this. Just control. Question 1.1.3 that talk about the interquartile range. So abbreviated as IQR, the interquartile range. This is what we're looking for now. Okay, and the interquartile range is the IQR is the third quartile minus the lowest quartile or the first quartile. Okay, so I'm going to pass the same, or if I put it over here, it's going to be there. Let's just move it over here. Now move it over here. All right. Now, the interquartile range. So I need first to find the third quartile. The third quartile is, so from here, I have like two unknowns. Okay, let's say we're going to find first the third quartile. Q3 will be what? 3 over 4, open bracket, n plus 1. And then that was Q3. And then Q1 will also be found by Q1 will be equal to a quarter n plus 1. So these are not the values, actually the actual value, they don't determine the actual value of the first and the third quartile, but they just tell us the position of the third and first quartile as the median. Well, so now over here, I can work out Q3. I'll say Q3 is equal to 3 over 4, open brackets, n plus 1, so 15 plus 1, okay? And then this is equal to 3 quarters times 16. And then we can work this out, you know, 4. And then that makes what? 12. So Q3 is the 12th position. So the 12th is not equal to 12, but it's the 12th position. So now Q1 also similarly, Q1 will be equal to a quarter and then 15 plus 1. And then to work this out, quarter, 15 plus 1 is 16 times 16. And then over here, similarly, this tells us that 1 times 4 is 4. So this is the 4th position. Now say here, therefore, Q3 will be the 12th position. I'm going to look at on my raw data over here to find the 12th position. The 12th position is there. So this is my Q3. Okay, it's equal to 66 here, and Q1. Therefore, Q1 also will be Q1 will be the 4th position. I'm going to move here. The 4th position is over here. It is 5. So I'm going to say this is equal to 5. Then I can find the interquartile range. The interquartile range, which is equal to 66 minus 5, which means that the interquartile range equal to 61. So 61, yes. So that the interquartile range. Okay. Now I can move also my book over here. The other question says we need to find question 1 question 1.1.4 here says the standard deviation of the data. So we need to find that also. The standard deviation is given, okay, here is where you have to use a calculator, okay? You can use a calculator, but the formula for the standard deviation is given by SSD. The standard deviation will be the square root of x bar minus xi to the power of 2 all over n minus 1. So actually the sum of all these, okay? Let me draw the formula. So going to be the square root, of course, of the sum of x bar minus xi to the power of 2 all over n minus 1. This is for the 1.1.4. It's not a deviation. Okay, it is given by that formula. And then I already did the calculations here. You can use a calculator for that. There are methods how to use a calculator to work out the standard deviation. Over here, I can just say, I can give you what the answer will be. Okay, x bar, you know what x bar, we found it in the previous questions, was the mean, it was equal to 38 or 38.007, and then xi, so we're going to minus, actually, the idea is to minus x bar by each of the number in the row that are here, and then raised to the power of 2, do that sum, the sum of all the results of this difference divided by n minus 1. And as I said, I already did the calculations. This is equal to so you're going to do the calculation here. Okay, this is equal to 26. I'm right here. 26.88. No, 26.388. Or we can just, okay. I'm going to write it to two decimal places. 26.39 years. Thank you.